Alright, this is part 2 of the Morikami Gardens here in Delray Beach. Are we in Delray Beach or Boca? Delray. This place is awesome. Definitely come here if you're visiting Boca Raton, Delray Beach area. Look at this view, man. Woo! It's freaking beautiful. That's the main museum. Alright, we're going to do a walking tour here. So should we start there, or what do you want to do? Start over here?
Yeah.
I want to go check out, closer look at the fountain. Well worth the $14 to come in here. Wow. Dude, look at that freaking iguana on there. Zoom in on that bad boy. He's just chilling. He's like in charge of the whole river, or the lake.
Go around, if you have a penny, you could leave it and make it work. I didn't bring my money, did you?
No.
Or you can steal a penny. Then you don't get your wish done, right? I saw a bunch of cool, like really
That's awesome. So pretty.
Just wait till you see the like original Japanese stuff. It's so cool. It's a Canadian version on.
Let's walk across it.
Yeah, no, definitely get it. You don't even need it. You don't even need it.
Look at this bonsai tree. Wow, that's a big old bonsai.
The Maui thing. Yeah, which one I use. That one's really good. Yeah, it's real fast. That's why I got so dark. Look at that iron. Really good. I have one at my side from the TV. It's called black. It's really nice. And then in the office,
Look at these views, man. That's amazing.
Very good. I wish I could walk this every day. Me too. You could buy a year pass here? I think so, yeah. If you buy like the pass, you could come here and walk with me every day. Yeah. There's a really pretty one too. It's called Butterfly World, but it's further away. And they have a bunch of animals and birds. They have like those huge parrots. The parakeet. And there's a bridge, like one of those walking bridges, like that wobble. And you walk across it and you go to that area. And the birds, they sit there and they stare at you. And they're huge and red and some. So they got like those peacocks and stuff like that. Yeah, they have those. Then they have like all these butterflies.
How many acres is this?
I don't know. This was their farm, though. Isn't that ridiculous?
It's freaking massive.
They built this, like, obviously some of the stuff is donated, too. They put more, added more. Yeah.
What's that?
I think had it within the It's 16 acres.
Wow.
There's even more back there. Yeah, so it spans 200 acres, not including this part. I don't know. Why are you going to pick up that, right?
I don't know. It's a big old stone. Ooh, bamboo. Dang.
Here they got bamboo.
That's something I've never seen. Where's the pandas?
This is where I took the picture of the Buddha. He asked if he went on that. Yeah, but she's such a pay for it. Oh, really?
a volcanic lantern. What?
You see the bamboo? I know, they didn't seem to free. How much did you say it was?
Ooh, dang, look at that big boy. Woo, you're big. That was a big old iguana. Yeah. Plus they keep all the the bugs, they eat them all.
Yeah, the Japanese beetles are invasive. They came to Florida and Pennsylvania, New York. Wait, they don't have any squirrels in here? They do. They have the black squirrels here. You want to see the squirrel. I gotta run into the lizard. Yeah, they have them. They keep it clear. So how long do you walk in here, I wonder, right? How much do they eat? You get what I'm saying? Like, right? Well, even the surrounding area is huge. So there's a lot to see that there is. What do they do on the side? Do they take by the
No, the museum part's closed, but it says when the sun drops, that's when the park closes.
Oh, you can walk there as long as you want it? In here? No, I think you can move it. So they want you to. When we go to the elevator time, which we get it. Probably.
Do we go left then?
Did you get to my okay, yeah. Yeah, we have Starbucks. Yeah, just like, this is the best right there.
I'm gonna take a picture of Buddha.
Yeah. Big belly.
Buddha, 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 Buddha everywhere. Bonsai.
You haven't been there, the Schaumburg
Oh, look at these beautiful bonsais.
Really, really beautiful. All different types. You gotta go to the one in Schaumburg, our house. We have something like this, but it's not Japanese. They have like all the different species of them. So
That one's cool.
that one?
Yeah.
And these plants are so old.
Yeah, you can tell. Look how thick they are.
They're insane. Weeping bottle brush. This one, 1955.
Wow.
Since 1998.
This one's from 1923. Yeah. 1957.
No, it's 1990. It's just in training season.
Oh, wow, look at this bad boy.
This one is.
Look at this one. Look at all the roots.
Oh.
That's so cool.
That one's 1998. But it's literally, they're just tiny little.
Here's my friend. Hi, friend. Hi, friend. Hi, friend. Hi, friend. Hello, friend. You my friend? You my friend? You won't be my friend.
I had one just like that. Like, you sure don't know you want me to. Leave me alone. You have to do that. Sort of, because they're invasive. Where did they come from?
There's alligators?
What's the one?
Trying to get an alligator. You're not doing it.
Why would you swim in here? Big old fish in there.
You're right.
Look at the size of the fish in there, Neely.
There's fish right
Yeah, they're huge. They're like, give me some crackers.
here. I don't see that alligator. He's not out right now.
If I was an alligator, I'd live in there. All the fish you can eat. This tree looks like origami. It's huge.
Wait, Ty, the tree that was in Hawaii.
25 years old, this one.
Wasn't that from Japan? The really
Yeah.
cool one?
Uh,
Do they have that here? Or is that only in Hawaii?
No, they should have it here.
They're only in Hawaii.
Oh, probably, yeah.
But don't you think they would have brought one here?
Probably.
I don't see it, no. That was the coolest tree I've ever seen.
Yeah. What is this thing? There's the museum in the back. It's a gorgeous view.
More of like this.
Alright, and then we'll do a part 3 video. So we're pausing this one. On to the next.